whoever did that song.
This one is right?
AI.
Yeah. It's an AI song.
All right, let me get on this thing here.
Do you need the theme song?
This is a good song. Got a good beat to it.
I sing it sometimes.
Oh shit. Working. You're not live yet on their end. You're live though.
Look at this freaking gold just drop.
You're not live on their end. I don't know what's going on.
You want to call Denny outside and tell him?
You just hit the live button.
What's up, Denny? What's up?
What's up, Steven? How we doing tonight?
Okay, I think our YouTube is down here, Denny.
Yeah, it's not pulling up live for me.
Not pulling up live here. Just
Not doing it. It's
Chat.
What is up, everybody? How we
all right, here we go. Here we go. Hey, Cindy. Hey, Cindy Schroeder. How are you, everybody? Rocky Mountain Trades. How are you? Hey, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up? Wow, great session today, 10:30 to 11:30. Love doing that session now, Monday through Friday. Luke's got me working like a dog. Woof. Denny, we got to change some plans there. I can't eat dinner at 9 o'clock at night, but I still gonna love to see you. But we're gonna make it like 3 hours earlier, brother. I'm driving 2.5 hours. By the time we eat dinner, I'll be on the road at 1 in the morning. Are you crazy? Anyway, how is everybody going tonight? What's up, everybody? What's up, Smokescreen Design? How are you? Nico Meyer. Hey, there you go. Look at this gold, this rally. Jeez. How'd you do today, Denny? Long NASDAQ or long gold? You love being long that NASDAQ. You love being long that NASDAQ, Denny, huh?
I do like being long in the match.
Look at this gold.
10 points. 10 points.
You want to go to 72.30? Wow. Look at this gold just rallied $3. Jesus. Hey, Shally, 6. Hendricks is home tonight on the couch resting. That's where I should be. What's going on, everybody? Look at this gold. Oh, my God. Gold just ran $5. Unbelievable. So let's see here. You got to get this NASDAQ to push up there. All right, let's see.
Taking my payout, I'll be happy.
Where's I'm not in a trade on the NASDAQ right now. Let's see here. Hendricks is home right now. My Henny's home. He's chilling. I put a blanket on him. He's all good. That's it. Look at these 30-minute time frames. 15's turning up here on the gold here. How did everybody trade gold today? Gold positive MACDs here. Oh, my God. You got to take a scalp short here on this gold here against the 60-minute here. Gets up to the 25.5 to 30.5. I'd scalp short with micros. There you go. Got to short some of this gold there if it gets up there. How's everybody doing overall? So NVIDIA looks like it's going to carry the market tomorrow. AMD's up about 4 points. Some really great patterns here tonight. Some really great patterns. Today, I wanted to tell you, if you look at the underlying ETFs today, you can see the underlying ETFs on the GLDs here. Very, very, you can see the 30s reverse to sell here, then the 60s reverse to sell. But this was the gold right here on Friday. You pushed up and the MACDs couldn't confirm the highs. Look at this gold drop. Jeez, I was offering it $25.70. Look at this, never got filled. Jesus. Just look at this. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah.
We'll get them next time.
We'll get them. We'll get them. Get this. Anyway, gold kaboom. Yep, gold kaboom. And you see, anybody short the gold at 5? You get 5.5.
I didn't get found.
No, me neither. I was at 570. I didn't get shelled. Looks like Nvidia's push. Yeah, apparently the president approved the chip. So I know, we'll see. Oil just got kabooshed. Oil's negative here. Anybody trade oil? Look at this gold. Anybody trade gold? Or, oil during the day? Anybody? You got the short, AJ? Good job. Good job. How's everybody doing tonight? Bonita Beach, how are you? Mr. Mike, oh my God, this gold just dropped 3. Again, that short was off the 60-minute time frame. Off the 60. All right. You get short? All right, we should get another push up on this gold here. The 15s are still turning up here. But today, so when the 60s reversed to sell, this is the nice bear flag on the 30-minute and the 15. Really great pattern there on the 15-minute time frame. You can see it right here. Gold, the GLD is 386.02, dropped about $1, about $12 on the gold futures. Again, this is the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame. After the 60 reversed to sell, you short the first bounce. Short the first bounce here. All right. Good afternoon. Hey, son of Wall Street, how are you? All right. No, I canceled the short. I canceled the short. Yep, I canceled. Yeah, Nvidia looks like it's trading up after hours here. It closed Nvidia 184.51. It's rally. It's up 5 here, up 7% off the lows here. So we had some big patterns here in Nvidia today. You saw the 30 minutes still bullish, 60 minutes still bullish here. You can see the ADX is rising. When the ADX is rising like that on the 60 and on the 30-minute time frame, you could look to take longs here. Okay, you can look to take longs off of the 15. So when its 15-minute time frame got oversold, you can take the longs here. When the 15 reverses to sell here like this, there's an 85% chance that the highs are in for the day, but you can still take the long on the oversold condition against the 30 and 60, especially when these ADXs are rising. Beautiful. Really great. How are we doing in gold? I tried to short it, but it got up there and I was offering at 25.70 and I didn't get filled. So what was the high? 25.70. I saw a touch there. Look at that. Right to my number. You should rot. What's up, Bodine? How are you? How are you, Bodine? Hey, Step Trade X. How are you? I'm not sick. I just speak 4 million words a day. All right? 44 times the Punisher. How do we join the giveaways for the core accounts? Ask Denny. Okay, you're going to get another push up here, Denny, on the NASDAQ. What do you need, 17 on the NASDAQ to get out? I think Denny needs another 17 points on the NASDAQ. Teamwork. Go get him, Pac-Man. What's up, Heat? How are you? Mikey Jacques, Jeffrey Shear, Zachary. What that gold? How's everybody doing tonight? I'm not muted. Cooper Crypt, I'm not mute. Daraliki, how are you? Are we long gold? No. What's up, Ralph? 42783. NASDAQ ripped up after the close? Yeah, because of NVIDIA. This oil is getting absolutely kabooshed. So anybody anybody trade oil? You need to look at the underlying ETFs during the day. The 60-minute reverse to sell here. The MACD is negative above my pivot. It correlated with the 15, and it also correlated with the 30. ADX is rising like that. When the ADX is rising like that, what do you look to do? You short the bounces on the 5 minute. Here's 1, here's 2. That's a beautiful strategy right there. Here's 3, beautiful short there. Okay, so that's a beautiful short there on oil, especially when the ADXs are rising. So the 60-minute reverses to sell. The 30-minute time frame is already in sell mode. The MACD is negative. The ADXs are rising on the 30. ADX rising on the 15. Look out below. Look at this oil. Oil just dropped $1 from the opening here. Look at this oil. Look at this crude.
Steven, I'm out.
You broke even?
No, I got in on. So I had basically 4 times. I had $100 in profit on
Micros?
the 400.
There you go. Went from micros to minis. Minis to micros.
$100 profit at the foot.
I thought the price action was pretty good, Von 53, and good luck on your colonoscopy. I've never had a colonoscopy where I was put out. I was always wide awake. Yeah. John Richardson. There you go, John. Hope you had a great time with your family, John. Von D, I hope everything goes well. I never had a sedative when I had a colonoscopy. I was awake the whole time. I don't trust doctors. I don't. I got to watch what they're doing. Really. I don't know. I'm crazy. I guess I'm nuts. What brand is my microwave? I don't have a microwave. It's really quiet here today. Jesus. S&P's, NASDAQ. Just NASDAQ, you're going to get your 30 in the NASDAQ, but I know you're out. Go get me a colonoscopy. That's true. It's going to go right to 30. Watch. You wigged out. Gotta short some gold here. This gold gets up to the 26 and a half, 26.80. I'd short it up to the come on, look at this gold. You gotta be kidding me. It hits my number and it drops. I don't even get filled. All right. That's it.
The only way you can enter the
Well, I got a little air in here. Yeah, good. Just covered. Make the $100 in and out. There you go. I got filled. I sold it at 20. What did I say? 26.10 or something. Oh. All right, there's the link. Thank you, Denny, for posting my link. Okay. You do colonoscopies for fun. Not me. All right, let me just cancel my offers here. All right, if you're short the gold, look to cover below 25.30 here. Very quiet here. 16 more business days to the end of the year. So I'm going to ask everybody a question. Are we going to be... Here's 2 questions. Are we going to make new all-time highs? Or are we going to close above 7,000? What do you think? I think we're going to be under 7,000. I think they'll push 7,000 at the beginning of the year. Denny, they want to know when you're going to drop the link, Denny. Thank you for LYFE.
No, I'm not going to tell you when I'm going to drop the link. just got to watching.
Sharo,
However, starting tomorrow, I'm going to this week starting tomorrow.
that's what I'm talking about.
I'm going to be
That's what I'm talking about.
for a whole hour.
Damn straight. Yeah, Denny and I talked to
You should miss it.
Avicon trades. Well, my research has shown me that you need to look at the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session. Let's leave it at that. I taught the number one trader in the world that, and he loved it. Bitcoin, not so much. He has 7,000 for sure. There's a raging bull. I think Bitcoin's got a lot of trouble, especially if this MSTU's got problems. Okay? You think the Fed's going to make new highs? Break, yeah. Well, what, interest rate? They're going to cut a quarter, you know. I think they're going to cut a quarter. Come on, guys. We got 278 people. We had that more during the New York session today. Come on. We only have 250 during the New York session. MSCR has major issues here. Trust me. Biggie, can't you see? That's what I'm talking about. Your words just hypnotize me. There we go. Especially if they get delisted. Oh my God. Bitcoin be 55,000. How much Bitcoin? 914? My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I would cover this gold if you're short below 25. You get the gold short?
I didn't get gold.
What were you offering? No, I said 20. I said 25 and a half to 30 and a half.
Yeah, I didn't get.
The high's 26 and a half. Right here. Yeah. Yeah. Nice move. Nice scalp. Yeah, buck 10, buck 20 here, buck 20 there. It's kind of quiet. Yeah, I did. It's okay. No problem. I got to wait till this turns up here. All right.
As soon as you said it.
It makes no money short oil. I would short this oil. I short this oil here around the 50, 85, 87 up to probably even to 02, even 02. Just for, MACD negative on the 5. You know, once the blue moon negative, once the blue moon, oil tends to move here. You know, oil tends to move here. So, Denny dropped the link. NASDAQ under 25,400. Oof. I hope asking 10,000 for gold. Well, you know, it's funny. Arton is here to visit me, and we were talking about that today. If the U.S. decides to have the debt backed by the gold, I said 8,000. Arton said 10,000. I think that could be a real possibility. Look at this gold drop. Where were you offering on the gold? You were going every 2? That's fine.
Yeah.
You got to start somewhere, though.
It was like two and a half. Yeah, it was.
But I said 25 and a half to 30 and a half. So if you went 26, then you go, I mean,
It
even,
was 20. I did like.
so you went 27 first as the offer?
No.
Oh, okay. All right, so
Your bottom number.
we're going to get this. We're going to get this thing pushing up here a little bit. This NASDAQ should push up here again. Rocky Mountain Trades, how are you? What's up, Chuck? Gabriel Trades, how are you? Hey, my buddy from Finland. How are you, Zill? Gold, that 60 minutes short looks great. I think so. But you probably want to get this 30 here. You see this here? That's a nice bear flag on the gold. Rocky Mountain, what's going on? MSTRY an issue? They got problems, John. Read about it. It's all over the internet. Okay? the Sun City Trader. How cold is it in Finland? What's the best country I've been to? I would say Italy so far. I think Italy so far. I landed in Rome, and I saw the Vatican. I saw the Sistine Chapel. I saw the Fountain Verde. I was in Florence, and Richard Simmons tried to pick me up. I said, "Get the hell away from me." It's a true story. It's a true story. I said, "Get the hell away from me." He goes, "Oh, I like you," in front of my girlfriend, who became my wife. It's a true story. He came out of a men's underwear shop with his boyfriend next to him. "Get the hell away from me," I told him.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, what about him? Why disconnect?
Why disconnect?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. All right.
What about Chi-Chi?
They're very over leveraged. Exactly, caveman. Exactly. Mara, I guess if Bitcoin goes down, what do you think Mara is going to do? Stay up or go down? I mean, come on. This Mara is, look at this Mara. Okay? Look at this Mara from 23 down to 9. Okay? I mean, this thing can go to 6 if Bitcoin goes if this MSTR has problems here. You know? So, anyway, very quiet. All right. What do I think about the NASDAQ? Short, intermediate, long term, or for tonight? When you ask a question like that, you got to be really specific. Do you think, you know what I'm saying, about the NASDAQ? I think the NASDAQ's going to go higher. We have right now the Qs are going to reverse to buy. So tomorrow, the NASDAQ's not going to really get going tomorrow until the 30-minute time frame takes out this number, 627.28. Right now, we're stuck at 625, even with Netflix. NVIDIA pushing up. So this number here, 627.28. Okay? All right? You see that? Okay? All right? You need... Exactly, trade flows. Exactly. Trade flows has got it. There was another new Edmontonian tune into MTV during... What? I can't understand these. Hey, Jip Smith. MSTR bought 960 million Bitcoin today. Okay, when Bitcoin drops to 80,000 or 70,000, MSTR is finished. Big order book 750 on the NASDAQ. I think it's going there. I do think it's going there. I think it's going. Okay? 60-minute gold here. This gold just dropped about 3 just now. Jesus. I made a quick 150 on that. I'm trading the big ones. You should try the big ones on a separate account. Saying? On great patterns only, though. Not scalping. On patterns only. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to give you another way to look at the market. On a pattern. We get buy reversals tomorrow, and then you buy the first pullback. That could be a pattern, where then you can step up to the big ones. You buy 3 or 4 big ones, boom, they rally 4 or 5 handles, done, right? I'm just saying, right? I'm just giving you an idea. Look at this NASDAQ, then you're going to get your 30 NASDAQ. Oh, man, I left, boy, and, hey, Jip Smith, I left, and I know, I hear you. But, don't short NASDAQ? Well, I would probably short the NASDAQ only because the MACDs are not confirming the highs. So if you want to take a scalp short, like 28 up to 48 range, the MACDs are non-confirming the high. So I left tonight, and man, Hendricks looked pissed. He's like, "You're not taking me?" I'm like, "Nope, not enough room in here." Do you sell any grape? Yeah, I just tried to short that last. Well, we got the short, but I didn't hold it down 4. Artan and I were talking over dinner, saying that, oh my God, look at the NASDAQ drop. Saying that if the U.S. decides to back the debt with gold, right, that our dollar's backed by gold, I said gold will go to 8,000. Artan said 10. So FOMC Wednesday, so BMA crappy tomorrow after the first. Yeah, let me tell you, if you don't make money in the first hour, right? Nvidia and Palantir going down. Can we just trade what you see right now? Chile SS6284. Just trade what you see. I have no opinion past the next minute. You know what I'm saying? It does me no good to think, what am I going to think about, right? Why am I going to think about where the market's going to go? Are there gaps below the market down to 5,100 on the S&P, the spiders? Yes. Does that mean it's going to happen tomorrow? No. It's going to happen in my lifetime? Probably. Okay. But got to see what's going to cause it, right? Anything can come out of left field. Markets don't always go up, but this is the seasonality for it. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 8.9. I would just cancel that short. This is what I was looking at here on the NASDAQ. You can see the NASDAQ right here pushing up right here. The MACDs couldn't confirm the high. See that? So these MACDs on the 5 making new highs. These MACDs couldn't confirm the high here. Overbought into the negative MACD, and the price action made a new high, and the MACD couldn't right there. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Kaboom on the gold. Just rallied too. All right, so what we need to figure out here is the next play here. What we're going to do here. Good chances gold will get one more push up to get short. Okay? What if they back it up with Bitcoin? I don't think anybody would ever make that crazy recommendation here in the United States. Bitcoin has no underlying value, right? So why would you go? Oh my God, look at this NASDAQ. Just dropped 14. There's no, you understand why that was a short? See that? You made the new high. MACDs couldn't confirm. Right there. Oh my God, just got kabooshed the NASDAQ. Oh my goodness, Jesus. Just dropped 20 on the NASDAQ. You missed a good short up here, Ryan. All right, never mind. All right, so you see that new high here? The MACDs did not confirm the high. Okay. I don't take RSI divergences, Swamper Donkey. Where do these names come from? What are these names? Can you just be like Joe, Harry, Charlie, Paul? I know, right? And wasn't exactly Charles. I was thinking the same thing, that there's not enough gold, right? Steve, here's a question for experienced guy like you. How much do you think the Q ETF weighs on the NASDAQ futures, and how much do you think the NASDAQ options move in NASDAQ? Oh my God. Really? I got to answer this. The first one I can answer. The second one I don't really care about. Okay, and how much do you think the NASDAQ options moves the NASDAQ futures? You know, I got to tell you, how much do you think the QQQ's ETFs weigh? Okay, so if you're going to look at the underlying ETFs here today, okay, watch this. The 30-minute time frame reverses to sell. It sets up the short. The 15s get overbought. This was a beautiful short pattern at 115. The NASDAQ, you can see the Qs 624.87. Okay, dropped about $3 on the Qs. So let's look at that time period on this pattern. So you went into a sell disconnect mode, right? Okay, NASDAQ just dropped 22. You see this here? 30 reverses sell. It correlates with the 15. You go into a sell disconnect. Let's look at the NASDAQ futures at 115. Where they do. Right here. Boom. 25,696. Kaboosh, down 130. On a 15. 5, 2, 3, 4. In 1 hour, the NASDAQ dropped 130. That's a pattern. That's a pattern. Okay? All right. Okay. Anybody have any other questions? That was a pretty good one. Peter, Paul, and Mary. I agree. Simple names. North Dakota. How cold is it? What's the meaning of life? Happiness. How cold is it in North Dakota? I can never live in North Dakota. I think I would just freeze to death or get killed by a moose. Power lines. I'm originally from North Dakota. Can we have a setup? How can we have a setup like yours? You really want to? All right. 18 degrees in Minnesota. Oh, I know. I called my friend today. He told me, if this gold, I'm going to see if this gold can push down one more time, maybe step along. The gold should get one more push up here on these gold futures. I'm thinking if it gets down to the 18 to 23 range, to maybe take a scalp long here on the gold into the positive MACD. Elk in the Dakotas. Oh, you got elk? Hey, Taylor. See, Taylor's a good name. Easy to remember. Cold season starts in January. That's crazy. Can I tell you something, Heat? I'm so used to it, it doesn't even bother me. I really mean it. All right. You're long what? Gold or NASDAQ? NASDAQ's going to get another push up. S&Ps, if they push down to the 59.64 range, I look to buy it. Do you do inverse correlation, DAX and NASDAQ? No, I do not. I look at the, here, you want to know something I do? Look at the SQQQs. So when the SQQQs reverse to buy here on the 30 minute at 2 o'clock, right? But look at this pattern here on the 15. The 15, you see the positive MACD? The 15 got oversold here. It confirmed the short on the NASDAQ. That's when the NASDAQ dropped 130. You can see here they reverse split, by the way. You can see the long 66.72. Boom. Ran about $1 in 1 hour. So just do the calculation. If the SQQQs move $1, that means the NASDAQ futures move what? 130, and the Qs drop 3, right? So for every dollar the SQQs rally, the Qs need to drop 3, and the NASDAQ needs to drop 130. That's pretty good though. Q3, SQQ1, NASDAQ 130. Keep a note of that. Okay, I just did the math for you. All right. I know. As I said, gold just got down to 23.5. Look at the NASDAQ. Oh my God, just got kabooshed. That's why I said look to short it up there, 27, 29, 27. Still think you're gonna get another push up here. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? NASDAQ just got thumped. Chuny. Yes, yes, yes. That's why NASDAQ just dropped 30. Again, you can see the NASDAQ here. I don't know why it's not working. You see when they're pushed up here and made the new high. Again, you can see the MACDs cannot confirm the high here. Okay? I didn't call long. I'm call okay. S&Ps, if you're long, look to sell 2.5 to the 64, 64.5 range. Okay? Biggie, can't you see? Short gold around 26. We'll see. We'll see. There goes the S&Ps right back up. NASDAQ just bounced here about 10 here. Oh my God. Dave. That's hysterical. All right. What happened to gold? Silver and... How about that one? Silver and gold. Is that better, Dave? Is that better? S&Ps just pushed up 63 3/4. All right, not bad. Probably 2 3/4 here. I was walking Hendricks today by people's houses. They were decorated beautifully. Hendricks tried to eat every light bulb. This dog's crazy. I don't know what I'm gonna Jess, what am I do with this dog? He tries to eat the Christmas lights on people's houses. I can't take it. See, there goes the gold. Never got the fill. See the gold here? It got down to 23.5 here. See the positive MACD? The 30s are turning up here now. The 5's getting oversold. This gold should make a new high soon here. Yep. No, I would not short. Taylor, I would not look. I'm walking this dog. He's the size of a moose. The Grinch dog. I said, what are you eating people's lights for? The hell's the matter with you? Trying to bite the lights. And then he lifted his leg and he peed on a snowman. He did. It's crazy. I can't take it with him.
Poor Frosty.
Huh?
Poor Frosty.
Poor Frosty. I had to get the hell out of there. I don't want people to start screaming at me. See, bear flags. I think they're here. You ready? Look at Microsoft. Look at this beautiful bull flag on Microsoft on the 30-minute. Okay? I am a very big believer that these patterns set up appropriately. How is your mouse? My mouse? My mouse got stuck. Okay? If you look at the 15-minute time frame. So here's the strategy, right? The 60-minute reverses to buy. Look at that beautiful bull flag on the 60-minute. Microsoft, kaboom. Right? Look at the 15-minute. Now, watch this, everybody, right? There goes the gold. Watch this. Do you see this? Positive MACD, ADX rising, big buying pressure, right? Look at the yellow dots into the blue. Positive MACD on a 60, right? Look at this. 15-minute time frame gets oversold. Right here. Here's one. Here's two. You buy the world. Oh, this gold just dropped. Where did gold just get up to? 26.30. I told you to make new high, though. Oh, 26.5 is the old high. All right.
I got 27
Just now?
on the gold.
It just got up there?
Yeah.
Not me. What are you on? No way. I got 426.3. Fill the coolers. Gold did not trade at 27. Unless I'm crazy.
42.27.
I see 4226.3. Unless I'm crazy. What do you show?
It's because
I'm looking at
MGC,
I'm looking at the at GC. So
which is different.
all right. 427. Okay. Well, you're up 2 points. Be careful here. This gold should turn up. When we'll get to 5,000? Probably by March or April of next year. Right. I think gold hits. I think gold hits 5,000 next year. But I like to see gold here. If you look at gold on the weekly, you see this gold weekly? Okay, look at this gold weekly. When it got down to the 39, this gold weekly pushed up about 300 points. Oversold positive MACD, oversold rising ADX, oversold big buying pressure. I'd like to see one more. Oh my God, this gold just dropped. Wow, how that little it hit 27? Yeah, not on the big ones. Oh, I hope somebody shorted up there. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new here? I'm offering a 5-day free trial. If you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Let's see if we get one more. Wow. Anybody short that gold up there? You're new, Mr. Okay. Arton's here. Yes. Anybody new, you can click on the link. Hey, Neo. And there's access to a 5-day free trial here. Garrick 16. I like that name. So when gold pushed up here to 27, all right, the reason why I was looking to short the gold is because you're still negative here, okay, in the 30-minute and the 60-minute time frames here. You can see you're pushing up to new highs during this session, and the MACDs can't confirm it. That's the only reason why. If this S&Ps get down to the 60 and miss the S&Ps, Nasdaq's gonna get another push up. S&P should get another push up. Yeah, I was. That's what I said. I was looking to short it up there. Right. So Taylor, USA Store Columbia, how are you? If you're new, please in the SK. Where's the link for the free trial, Aaron? Okay, I'm gonna ask Aaron. Where's our free trial? Is it pinned? All right, we gotta pin it. Anybody? It's pinned in my SK Trading YouTube. And it's also here. Thank you, Denny. 5-day free trial. All right. Okay. All right. Very quiet now, Aaron. Nobody. It's just scalping shorts.
I only made like 100.
I just made like 150. Nothing. It's nothing.
That's coffee money, you know.
For you, that's a nice cup of coffee.
Yeah, he gets gold-based coffee. That's right.
Yeah. Artan goes to a different Starbucks in Rodeo Drive.
There's no Starbucks in Rodeo Drive.
There isn't?
No.
No, come on.
Come on, you know there's none. Unless if you go
Wilshire.
hotel.
The Wilshire Hotel?
Yeah.
I've been there a couple of times. That place is insane. Anyway, who's short the oil up there above 85, 87? I'd be covering shorts down 4 or 5 cents here. Okay? Edwin Ruda Bueno, how are you? Stephen Lee from Wisconsin, or a W? Is that Wisconsin? Do I own any physical gold? No. Rise in Trades, Rise in Trades, if you want, you can get a free access to my live stream for 5 days if you want. Let me know. And anybody new out there, if you want to text me, my number is 914-500-7484. Hey, JT. I still think, now, I'm telling you now, looking at these S&Ps and NASDAQ, look at the 15-minute time frame. You're going to get turned up here. You're gonna turn up here. This is the first pullback on the 15 after a reverse to buy. I think they're gonna turn up. See that? Okay. Oversold, positive MACD, 30-minute time frames bullish. Right here. I'm gonna start setting up a bull flag here on the 30-minute. S&Ps just ran 3, NASDAQ just ran about 8. There you go, trading for keeps. How did everybody do today? I came on at 10:30 during the live stream, the My Fund the Futures live stream TV. That was really good. Hey, Aaron, can you do me a favor?
Yes, sir.
My trade station is not letting me put orders in, but just be careful. It's live. If I go and do something here, I can give you an example. Go down like, 6. Now it's working. Of course, Murphy's Law. Wasn't doing that today at all. No, I just forgot. See here, Aaron, look.
I'm looking.
I'm trying to put offers in. It's not letting me put it in on the S&P. You have to probably refresh that. All right, gold's going to start rolling over here on the 15. All right. Where's the link for the 5-day? It's pinned up top, and it's also, Aaron just posted it. There's the link below. I think the Nasdaq and Nasdaq and S&P are going to turn up on the 15. Day.
Yeah, that's why it was on Fill or Kill.
I didn't touch it.
You probably didn't notice it.
All right,
all right.
Thank you. It's working now?
Well, I don't know. I'm not touching that. Fuck that. You're crazy. Not my money. Yep.
All right, there it is. On fill or kill. Who puts a fill or kill order in? 1 hour is turning over. Might carry it down. Yeah. I think the 15s and the 30s, there goes the gold. S&P's right back up. Just ran 3. NASDAQ just ran 10. All right. Really, this is really beyond quiet. I'm just, hey, listen, it's the end of the year. We got 16 days. Nobody's going to mess this up, right? After Christmas rally?
Yeah, we're gonna have a
That's when they pump the new money in.
Santa rally. Yeah, exactly.
You get like 1 or 2%, then you short the world.
If you're on one, just keep it.
Where's Hugo? Where's Hugo? Fine. You know what you should be doing right now? Just truthfully, take this Trading View sim and just practice with it. Just practice. There's no patterns, and if something lines up, then you can go in on. And tomorrow you're going to trade a funded account, prop account. Okay. All right. Very, very. Artan's here. Yes, Artan is here. He's right behind. There's Artan. In the golf shirt. Artan just played 9 holes.
Imagine.
9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. There.
The trading one.
Boom.
Yeah.
There it is. Our Tom flew in from California today.
His arms are tired.
Yeah. All right. So
John got
S&P's.
Too many cold Starbucks.
Oh, Nafi, don't start with the candles routine, please, Nafi. Nafi, please. It's a long day. It's a Monday, Afi. Yeah, Nafi. Yeah, baby. All right. Mr. Rockstar, how are you? Thoughts on what? S&P going to 58? I think the S&Ps are going to go up. I think the market's going to go up. All right, so you have about 11 more minutes. Of course I trade the New York session. Okay? I'm on from 8:30 to 4. So just so everybody understands one thing, I want you to all to be clear with something, okay? That at 9 o'clock, that's it. Denny's giving you 1 hour, right, Denny? To sign up for the raffle tonight?
Yeah, 9 o'clock it is. But tonight was not the night that was where it was 1 hour.
Yeah.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. PM.
All right, you heard it from Denny now. All right. There goes the gold right back up. I knew it was going to hit that 23 level and bounce. Hand on the mouse. Hand on the mouse. Hold up. Do something. Anybody trading silver here at all? Anybody trading silver? Let's see what the silver's doing. You made 3 points on the gold long. Good job, Dave. Oh, look at the silver, though. Silver's got the exact same pattern as gold. Silver just reversed to buy. There it is, 53 ran 9. All right. So, if you look at silver, you can see that the 30-minute time frame, in order for silver to get a buy reversal, 58.94. You're talking 30 cents away here. Hey, option man, where's Bob Barker been? Anybody know where Bob Barker's been? Look at his gold. What? Bob Barker. Bob Barker was here a couple nights ago. All right, it's really quiet. Just practice. Short some gold at 25 and a half. Just practice getting used to it. It's your sim, right? Not real. I don't care. Don't worry about it. Tomorrow's the day. Okay, tomorrow's the day. All right. S&Ps just ran 3. Nasdaq futures just ran about 10. Who shorted the gold? Who shorted the gold into the negative? The oil. Who asked about the oil? I said look to short 85 up to 02. Look at this negative MACD on the oil. Up to 86. Just got kabooshed. 8 cents. Hand on the mouse. Where's Denny? Denny's here. Where is Keith? Release Diddy. Oh boy, I'm not getting involved. All right. Kaboom! On gold. Anybody short that oil here? On that bear flag? Silver and gold. Oh, option man. That's right. Option man. Bob Barker's alive and well. Hand on the mouse. 15 and 5. MACD says silver is gaining strength. Let's see. What time frame? 15. Let's see the 30. That looks good. Beautiful. Just ran 10 cents on silver. And then the 60. Not yet. 15 and 30, yes. 42.25 and a half. All right, so what we want to think here, again, for tomorrow, just to give you an example, in order for gold to gain any strength, you got to look at the 30-minute here. The GLD's 387.50, so gold's got to rally at least 21 just to get a buy reversal on the 30. And if you look at the 60-minute time frame, 389.31, you're talking almost $39 in gold to get a buy reversal on the 60-minute. I don't see it. I just don't see it. Now, I mean, you never know for Monday. I mean, for Wednesday, when is a Fed announcement this Wednesday? Let me see. Yep, it's this Wednesday, 2:00. They're gonna cut rates. Here's how I think of it. He's gonna cut rates because he doesn't want Trump investigating him.
Oh, smart. I ain't been
Yep, that's how it's. $120 profit on the gold. No, it's probably going to be priced in. You missed New York today. Bo Barbie wished Denny, my friend, happy birthday. Bo Barbie was right after me, I think, today.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Bo Barbie's great people. Got to meet her. Talked over the weekend. Hand on the mouse. All right, so. You do anything? Okay. My clock's about to die. Sound like it's gonna die.
Your clock?
Yeah.
Where?
That thing. I've had it for like 25, 30 years.
Dang.
I can't get rid of it. It's
Get rid of Hendrix.
truly.
Nobody knows.
Why what? No, you say it.
Time-wise.
Let's see the 5-minute time frame here on gold. The GLDs here. Look at the gold futures. That's what. I need a door open. Get some air. Oof, hot in here. I know. We should leave the door open. Oof. There's no Hendrix now, so might as well.
And you remember last time I was here? And out, and it was running.
Yeah, because Michael held the door open.
Yeah.
Michael tried to join the party. He left the door open, and I see the dog by the car. And meanwhile, there's cars driving out, and he ran right in front of a car.
Yep, you sure did.
That mean our time, everybody was trying to Lenny. We were running around like trying to save the dog's life. Here, I saved the dog's life, and 2 months after I get him, he almost got hit by a car. Crazy. Look at this oil drop. Who asked about the oil? I don't get it. Anyway. Best day trading on Wall Street? I have to say the crash of 87. I was there for that. We buy on pullbacks on gold? I don't think so, no.
Gold,
I think gold's going down.
gold. If we break view up, gold's gonna go.
Oh yeah, gold's going lower. What is this? There'll be tomorrow. What? Hey, I'm AM. What are your thoughts on the ES reaching 81.91 on the S&P? I don't see 91 yet. I think you're going to get a push up on the 15s. No. Michael didn't get caboose for that. Down and then up.
You okay with that caller?
I go live every morning from 8:30 to 4 on my and again, anybody new, I have a 5-day free trial if you're interested. Look at this oil. Look at this oil. Oil just dropped 10 cents. Oh, that feels great. Let's leave that door open, Aaron. There's no flies. Not in Florida.
Florida. There's plenty in Florida.
Pterodactyls.
Come on, this is a bug place.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
This is a bug place.
I got those. What do you call it? Those Komodo dragons. What do you call those things?
Dragons.
The lizards. I got lizards everywhere.
Yeah.
Hendrix tries to eat them like a snack.
Sheesh.
That does feel good. 42.30 short and gold. I think if it gets there, I would. Iguanas? No, they're not iguanas. I seen iguanas though down here. I was. Oh yeah, I was at Singer Island, and I'm literally having a drink, and a gigantic iguana comes running across the tables. I'm like, what the hell is with this thing? Hold on, what's this? Paw on the mouse. Not with a cat. A dog, you lunatic. Zachary, not a cat. Oh, that feels good, Artan.
Yeah, it does.
No flies.
Nice breeze.
Yeah. Call me the breeze. Oh, yeah. Look at the bond market. That's a good point. Look at the bond market. Look at the 30-year bonds. Now, you would think after 3 interest rate cuts, the bond market is down over, oh, look at this,
Didn't trust me.
down over 2.5 points. Anybody trade the bonds? Oh, my God. I used to love trading bonds.
Really good. Give it
Not now, though, but.
a lose but money, right?
I used to trade the 30-year bonds. Pretty big.
Oh, I see.
Anybody live in New York? 30-year got smoke round, monkey round, yeah. Yeah, who's from Tampa? Helpful G? Helpful G, if you're in Tampa, you should come visit me. Anybody here in New York from Florida? Anybody from Florida? Wow, that breeze feels good. You don't think so? Call me the breeze. I keep blowing. Look at this gold's going to get absolutely kabooshed. You short? There you go.
Yeah, but I'm not.
You said you're short or you didn't get short?
I haven't gotten.
You said you're in a short.
Not anymore.
Oh, okay, that's what I'm asking. Call me the breeze. From Brooklyn? From Queens? All right, so let me ask you guys a question. Hey, if the casinos get built in Queens, the Bronx, and New York City, would you guys go to the casinos in New York?
No. Oh, Yonkers.
They got one in
No,
yeah.
no one goes really.
Yeah.
This generation really don't care about.
Zeiss Fire HD, you bag 1,000 for the day. Good job. Bilo Horizonte from Brazil, Jersey City. Get rid of the casinos. Oh boy. They got approval already. Yep.
Really?
Yeah, they did. All 3.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Going to be more crime. Yep. Stevie's building one out in Queens. Yep. Well, I don't know. All right, gold right back up. Jesus.
The rest.
God. Well, I guess it's going to be like that. I'm short gold. You're short gold. We're just rallied, so you got to be careful.
Or just 15 and change.
I'm short this gold.
90 MA.
You know, this is when it's really quiet like this. This is when people really blow up. You know that? This is when they really blow up. They blow up because they get impatient. Right? Your Queens neighborhood is deteriorating. Right? I know. Foxwood Mohegan Sun. So much nicer, right? They got approved. Hello from Greece. Constantine. How are you, my brother? Constantine. Call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road. Do 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 do. If this gold gets up to the 26 and a half to 31 and a half, 32, and I just short it. Look, I just hit 30. Look at this, 26 and a half. Look at this, it just got kabooshed. Oh my God. Look how fast this gold's moving. All right. I'm seeing you in a moment, 1.5 weeks. Why, where are you coming from? You, Drewski, you could come visit. Look at this, gold just dropped $1.50. What time frame? I'm trading off the 5 right now, but against the 30 and 60 minute time frame. All right, 1 minute, 55 minutes to go. Very quiet. The S&P and Nasdaq look like they're gonna want to turn up here. Look at these 15-minute time frames right here. It's a bull flag. We get one more push up here.
What's gold doing on your end?
It just rallied like $2.50. Nothing. Mm-hmm.
Steven,
Yes, sir.
I just want to say thank you so much for coming on the show in the morning and at night.
Well, I love my funded futures, and I love you, Denny. I love Luke, and I just want you guys to, you know, I really believe this is the best prop firm, and you know, it was a good session today. But I wish we had more people. We had about 240. When you stream like that, and you have your own TV station, and you got, you know, several thousand, you know, 5, 15, 20,000 people who are customers, you guys should be trading and understanding a methodology that you can be used to be consistent with. And I just don't know why, you know, even here tonight we got about, across all the socials, about 1,500, but you should really be just on My Fund the Futures TV. You guys should have, you guys really look at this gold drop. 6.5 a hit. You really should have, seriously, Denny, I'm not even joking, at least 2,000 to 3,000 people. But I'm going to be on every day now from 10:30 to 11:30. And we actually caught a couple good shorts in gold there today. But yeah, thank you. You're very welcome. It's my honor and my privilege, and I'm so grateful to have this opportunity. And you know, I feel bad because tonight's been really quiet. But you can't. You know, sometimes this is what happens. Sometimes we'll do 7 to 10, 12 great trades a night. Sometimes 3 to 5. But you know. But again, all my strategies are based upon divergences. What happened to Bull Barbie? Bull Barbie comes on at 11:30, right, Denny? I think 11:30. Okay.
Yeah, so Steven will be on from 10:30 to 11:30 every day, and then it'll be Bull Barbie and Methodical Man from 11:30 to 12:30, Matt from 12:30 to 1300 or 13:30.
Yeah, so you know, one of the things I have to say is that, you know, what My Fund of Futures has done is, since we've been going live here, they've given out over 750 either 50K or scale accounts. That's insane. What happened to Ash? Ash is on, isn't he? I don't know. Ask Danny. Is Ash still on?
Ash is currently working on stuff in the background with us.
Good.
He has not been moved off permanently. He is working on stuff in the background with me and Magnus to make the show better for you all, our audience, because we would like to have more of y'all watching, and we want to be able to give y'all the best quality of what we can give y'all.
You know, like I said, you know, My Fund of Futures is the best. I mean, I gotta say honestly, great people, number one, and the way they pay outs, you don't hear anybody bitching and moaning about not getting payouts or anything like that. So, hey, Fiber Spice God, how are you? But again, knowing the owners of these firms and being able to see how really you took the gold short, good. $100. You got to take what you're going to get here. I still think the S&P is going to get one more push up. Same thing with the Nasdaq. Oil dropped about 10 cents here. If you come to the States, come on down. All right. Anybody here from the state of Florida? Anybody here? Well, I don't know. Ask Denny about Matt Cowart, involved in it. They are a great family. Great, good evaluation rules. No problems with payouts ever. I agree. Schwanwig from Florida. Come visit me, Schwanwig. The lady from Jacksonville, that's about 3 hours. Prince Fresco from Orlando. Come visit me. Or just anybody here. Bonita Springs, of course, it's not far. Look at this gold get kabooshed. You see that? Good short up there. See? That's how you trade off the bigger time frames, the 30 and the 60-minute time frames. Anybody short that gold? If you're anybody, I passed the NASDAQ market site this afternoon. It's all electronic. I hope you were dressing warm. And again, I'm offering a 5-day free trial. Also, I have on my SK Trading YouTube, I do have my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Also, if you like to reach out to me, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Everybody welcome Najet, 5190. Chart to travel, caught the short. Beautiful. When you travel, you use a travel agent or you book things online yourself? You do it yourself? All right. Call me the breeze. So I'm getting tickets to see Rod Stewart. Can you believe this? He's still singing. I got to see him just once. I never seen him. I actually was in Chicago. Did I ever tell you a story? I was actually in Chicago. Short that gold. My Henny. He's so mad at gold. S&Ps. I buy him here. 54.5, 9.5. Nasdaq. I look to buy here between the 58.78 range on the Nasdaq. Gold just got kabooshed. Oh, Henny's so mad at me. I left him. He just looked at me. Ivy League Trading, how are you? Who's selling a lot of Bitcoin? MSTR will be. Johnny Mathis is still singing. So I was in Chicago it was 1991, I think it was. And I was sitting in a restaurant about 10 o'clock at night, 10:30 at night, maybe 11. And in walks a guy with this yellow jacket, hair looked like he put his fingers through a socket. And I said to the waitress, I said, "Excuse me," I said, "Is that Rod Stewart?" And she says, "Yes, it is." He's sitting at a table by himself. True story. So he sees me sitting at a table by myself. So I nodded to him. I'm like, "Hello, how are you?" Maybe about 6 people in this restaurant. Out of nowhere, he said, "Hey, you want to come and join me?" I go, "Sure." We sat and we had dinner together. Yeah, for like about an hour. I got up, he left, I left. I said, "Thank you." He paid for my dinner, and that was it. Unbelievable. S&P's right back up. If you're long, look at this gold cabooshed. Yep.
Wait until you see.
Gold cabooshed. I love how everybody's using the word cabooshed. Yep.
Yeah, tomorrow will be a choppy day because
Oh, yeah, you're not going to do nothing tomorrow. With the FOMC on Wednesday at 2, forget it.
yeah.
You might as well just, go to the mall, go to Home Depot tomorrow, go do something.
No, Jim.
Jim,
Yeah.
I'll get you know what? I'll take you guys to, I'm at Lifetime.
Yeah.
I'll go to Lifetime with you.
Okay.
I'm going to call Mark right now. I'm going to get you guys, Mark's my friend. He runs the whole damn thing. I'll email him.
Oh.
How many people want to go to the gym?
I know John wants to.
If everyone's going, I'm in.
Mark. I'll pay it. Mark.
Been there before.
Where's Mark Lifetime? Let me see. Your family doesn't know where you are? That's hysterical. Where's Artan?
No, this is.
Oh my God, his family didn't even know he left. Look at the S&Ps, go! Look at the NASDAQ, go!
I didn't have to go for dinner.
I would take the alley.
Dad, you coming home for dinner? No, I'm in Florida. Artan's not a great communicator to his family.
What? No, this is my best friend. He's an idiot. No, sorry, he's not my friend. He's an idiot.
Who stole my
He's
water
one
that
of
was
my
here?
best friends.
I had a water here. Who stole my water?
That was a compliment, Bubba.
Oh,
Just
he
so
took
you
it?
know.
That's not it, though.
What's going on, Bubba? How you doing?
I was dying for my water. All right, I'll get more
You want
water.
water? I'll bring you back one.
No.
Oh, they have it in the machine.
No. I had one here. Who bought the? Look at this S&Ps and Nasdaq get kaboom. I told you. No, forget it. Look at the S&Ps go. Anybody get the long there? Look at this. Kaboom.
We got out too soon.
Why the 15s are turning up, Aaron? Right? It's okay. Practice, right? What'd you make, a handle? You made 2 points, almost 3 points.
1,300.
That's not bad.
No.
Yeah, you made. How many? How many?
1620.
How many contracts? Wow! Look at this gold. Look at the S&Ps go.
2 units.
All right, so you bought 2 micros.
That's all I got.
Are you on sim right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was a beautiful pattern on the S&Ps off the 15. Just ran 5 handles on the S&P. Wow. Yeah, so I'm going to go try to see Rod Stewart February 26th, I think it is. Where is he? It's at the Hard Rock. Anybody ever been to the Hard Rock down here? Oh my God, somebody. Sorry, February 20th. It's a Friday night. Or the 27th, I think, something like that. All right. Good job, Smokescreen. Since 8:30, you've been long? Wow. All right. Well, I mean, it did push up to 68. You can't do me a favor, helpful G. Try to do more than one. Single lot entries don't work. Okay? Try to scale into the position, please. Not just do single lot entry. You'll find yourself making a lot more money if you can scale into a position. And I say scale in, you go maybe every 8 or 10 wide. Well, I hope you got to raise your stop, though. I mean, and then once you saw here, the MACD's negative here on the 5s, right? These negative MACDs on these overbought conditions ran into a brick wall here. See the negative MACDs? Okay, NASDAQ just ran. Oh my God, the NASDAQ. Mikey Jacques, did you get long the NASDAQ? Mikey Jacques? Oh my God, just ran 30.
It's gonna rain for the next 2.
Now, don't believe that. Don't believe. Well, then I don't mind that. So, for example, let's say you're buying the NASDAQ here, you buy 90s, then you buy maybe 80s. Or, you know what I'm saying? You buy 96s, and then you buy 86s. Okay? Did you buy the NASDAQ, Arthon?
And no, we were shorted gold with
Okay.
made 230.
There you go.
Nice prop too.
Yeah.
Oh, step it up, girl.
Step it up,
You're
girl.
the one who told me to.
Seduce Sim.
Yeah.
Hey, tomorrow you're gonna do prop.
Okay.
No, we'll get you tomorrow. Don't
But I
worry.
gotta get you comfortable on using the Dom. Right?
Don't be scared. Just go wild.
Just go Comanche. What's actually there's some really great patterns at night.
Yeah.
Let me talk to
Mostly
this.
gold though.
Yeah, mostly
I
gold.
really don't like NQ. Now it's just rather than joke.
Oh wow. You made 470 on gold. Good job. If I listen long enough to you, I'll find a way. And I try, though I look to find a reason to believe someone like you. Wait, this guy's unbelievable. I have three 1,000 drawdown accounts up 470. Good job, Smokescreen. I have 3 1,000. Okay, good job. All right. S&Ps rallied about 5. NASDAQ ran about 30. Well, I told you those 15s were going to turn up. Why would I short S&Ps and NASDAQ? No. You can't do one entry. You could best, but you could do multiple micros, right? You could do 10 micros. So I'd rather do 10 micros versus one big one.
You could average it.
Not this again. What's everybody saying, Steven?
They're saying that on Top Step, you can. I mean, I don't really know about Top Step or care, but they're
Hey,
saying
why are we talking about Top
I
Step?
don't even
Who
understand why
brought
we're talking
Step
Top
up?
Step here.
What about it?
Who brought Top Step up?
Henry Flores.
In my chat?
No, mine, of course.
Oh, I can't do nothing about yours.
And then somebody asked me if I was short the S&Ps. I said, no, look at the 15s turning up. Look at that. I told you the 15s were going to turn up. Right? First pullback on the 15 after the 30 correlated. All right. Look at this S&P go. Jeff, do you get that long, Jeff? Dave, I hope you got that long. I can't believe the stupid iPhone I got. Someone like you. Does your strategies work on with bigger runs than a few handles? Of course. Absolutely. How would you use a strategy? By using bigger time frames? I mean, the NASDAQ just ran 30 here, right? If you look at Microsoft today, reversing to buy on the 60 right here. And what do you look to do? You buy the first pullback on the 15 right here. Boom. Rallies 2. Another pullback. Another pullback. There's like 5 to 6 points here on Microsoft. If you look at Coinbase, reverses the buy on the 30. It correlates with the 15 right here. Coinbase 215, 72, rallies 3 right here. When can you short NASDAQ? I wouldn't do it now. It's going to go higher, I think. This is probably one of the slowest nights on the. You have S&Ps over or just gold? All right, tomorrow I'm gonna be glued to you watching. Hear me? On a prop. I'll tell you when to get in and see how you're doing it. I don't care if you blow up or not. I get another one. I don't care. Okay, I care. Are you passed on any of them yet or no? You have one going right now?
Yeah, I have 3.
They linked?
No.
Individual. Okay. All right. What? No, we'll get you there, Aaron. You didn't come 1,100 miles for nothing.
Yeah.
When did you get here?
Huh?
When did you get in?
Sorry.
By then.
Oh, I say by Thursday. That's what I'd say our time. Yeah, the 30-minute time frames are still negative on the gold, but the 15 and the 30 are still bullish. Of course, you're going to have data dependent based upon the Fed. I think tomorrow, after the first hour tomorrow, right? I think it's going to be mort, dead. But it's okay to learn during that. I'm going to trade. We may switch it to the big ones. What do I care? Right here, right? My Hendrix is so mad. I left him. He looked at me like, "You're leaving me? You're not coming to the office?" I'm like, "Nope." Flatbed coupe. Just come and text me. You can spend the week here if you want. When are we going to get cabooshed on the market? Sometime probably in February, March. Probably February and March. Sunday was really slow. Papa Powell. Uh-oh, Erin's yawning. Erin's yawning. Let me see what she's doing. So if she puts on a trade, she'll see red or green on the P&L?
Exactly.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, it's right there. So she's in the negative right now?
Yeah, it's $21.
Get me on that freaking machine.
They gotta do it. Not
I
you.
know.
No, you can gladly log into my funded account. Log into my funded account.
NASDAQ just dropped about 10. Oh, look at this gold. This gold's going to get cabooshed. Oh, my God almighty.
Just once.
This gold just dropped 3. Helpful G on the what, SK? The peen, what? Market going to get cabooshed post-Fed. I don't know about getting cabooshed. Let me look at this gold here. Gold's down 8 off the highs. Gold's down 8 off the highs here. 21 negative MACDs. All right. What's something that you noticed in the Asia session that affect? Nothing really. The age of session, nothing really I can say. And one thing I'll tell you today is you didn't see any crazy wild moves like you saw on Friday on gold. Gold goes from 42.91 down to 42.27, back up to 42.44. You know? All right, this gold just got kabooshed. Bye-bye, gold. Gold making new lows here. Minis? Oh, I had 1,000 lots on. Pretty slow tonight. Everyone waiting for the Fed meeting. Absolutely. Gold new lows here. 5-minute time frame's going to go negative. Look at that negative MACD here. Jesus. If I want to take a scalp long on the gold, I'll probably go like 08.5, 14.5 range. Because you see the 15s are getting oversold here. Yeah, you're going to get a bounce. See if you get this. Again, I would switch to micros here. What football game, AJ? The Eagles? The Eagles are getting kabooshed, AJ? Over the Chargers? Everybody told me to take the Chargers. Boom! What's that?
Oh, that's me.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's okay.
Jesus, where the heck?
What the heck is that?
Time to wake up.
Old gap fell. Maybe we could, you know.
If you're long the gold, sell the gold anywhere between 15 and 16. Gonna go up. Gold, there you go on the gold. Anybody get the gold long?
I did.
Okay, good. Just rallied about $1.60, $1.70. Should get above 16 here on the gold. Yeah, I can see 10 for. I can see 10 first.
Yeah.
I should have shorted those S&Ps up there. All right. Is this some?
John, huh?
Is that his margin call? No, it's a gap being filled.
You got it?
Three micros?
You know, if you're out, you're out.
You bought 3 micros?
Yeah.
I told you I'd be scaling on the gold above 15 and a half here, 15, 16 and a half. Here you go on the gold. I'd be scaling out the longs here. Buy it there. Fuck. It's rally 2 off the low. NASDAQ long? I wouldn't buy the NASDAQ now, no. I'd wait for a deeper oversold condition on the 5-minute. Am I bullish or bearish? I think I'm pretty. Look, the bottom line is I'm bearish, okay? But I think I'm bearish. Look at the gold rally here. You got the negative MACDs. I would exit all longs here. I don't care where. I'm looking for shorts. I'm bearish because I think the Fed cut's already priced in. And here's the thing that you got to worry about. The 30-year bond market and the 10-year bond market's telling you, okay, that with 3 rate cuts, one coming on Wednesday, the bond market should be 120 bid. It's 115 and an 8. No, everything predicates off my indicator 4. So then I go indicator 1, then indicator 3, then indicator 2. Right?
It is a monster.
Well, why would you force it? I would be out, Arton. I don't like them. Right? Ivy League trades. The 30-year bond market is telling you something here. Are you long? Gold? No? Okay.
We at 216.
You're long where?
216.
Why would you buy a 216?
It averaged in.
I said to look to buy 08.5 to 14.5. Why are you buying a point and a half higher? What?
I didn't get in at 08.
I didn't say 08. I called a range 08.5 to 14.5. So 16 is not the range. The range is here, John. Here. You see what I'm saying?
Yes, yes. Okay.
He'll be fine
So,
on the long run.
okay. This negative MACD is going to give the market fits here.
I just said. There, that's.
I just don't understand why you would buy 16s. If anything, you should be buying 14.5s. John?
Gotcha. Let me see.
You, whatever. You're 3 feet away from me. Denny, what time are you doing the raffles, Denny?
We can either do them right now, Stephen, or we can do
No,
them at
9:45.
9:45. Okay.
9:45. Silver and gold just got kabooshed. Nasdaq going at 25, short now at 25. Good. On the Nasdaq. Biggie, 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 can't you see? There are some major issues in the market, won't ignore much longer. One, the first one, the Bank of Japan will likely raise rates and interfere. I agree. The Bank of Japan raising rates, I'm telling you, recession is all but granted. I don't know about recession. I don't know. There he is, the one only Biggie Biggie. Still on the goal?
Me?
I'd be scaling out. This is a negative pattern. Just go, just ran. Now raise your stop.
Yep.
Raise your stop. Gold gets up to the 20 half. I probably look to short it if it gets up there. Nasdaq, be careful, could turn up here again. Look at the 30-minute time frame on the S&Ps. Good Lord. Be careful being short. Oh, if I could just type, it'd be nice. Look at the S&Ps on the 30-minute time frame here. Look at the 30-minute. Look at this. Did Diddy kill Biggie?
Sure did.
Why would Diddy kill Biggie? They were both from the East Coast. Got a nice bull flag here on the S&Ps. Look at this on the 30. Same thing with the Nasdaq. Gold and silver cabooshed. All right, we're gonna do the raffle here in about 6 minutes. Is that what really happened? Allegedly, Diddy killed Tupac because they were trying. I gotta look that up. Okay. Start scaling out his shorts here, longs. Got a bear flag setting up here. .30-minute bearish. Gold just rallied 4 just now. What are you doing? Anything right now? At 20.5. Okay. You and me both, Digi. S&Ps, I think, are going to set up one more push up here. Go up to 19. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. We got about 3 minutes before we can do the raffle. Again, I will be on My Funded Futures tomorrow at 10:30 to 11:30. All right. Gets up there, I'm shorting it. Gold. S&Ps, I told you S&P and NASDAQ should get one more push up here. S&Ps just ran about 2, NASDAQ just ran about 6. S&Ps, gold just dropped, I think, $1.60 here. I'm here right now, John. When are you talking? All right, 1 minute. We'll be doing we're gonna do the raffles here. 5 of them. Rocky Mountain, Johnny Fonts, Jorge. How are you? The VWAP. The WeWAP. How are you? Anybody new here tonight? Anybody? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Chicken Trader. You lost 1,300 on silver? How could you lose 1,300 on silver? What the hell are you doing? How could you lose 1,300 on silver? Right here? Wow, silver just ran, Jesus, just ran 30 cents. Silver and gold do not go neck and neck with each other. I'm just letting everybody know. I'd like to see it get up to the 20.5 range. I don't know if that's going to happen. Thunderhawk, if anybody knew, if he was stopped, put what? If anybody knew, there's a link pinned up top for my 5-day free trial, or if you want to text me 914-500-7484, I'll send you the link. Anybody new? 914-500-7484. Bye-bye gold. Into the negative MACD. Up to 19 on the gold. Kabooshed. All right, Denny, you want to do your raffles, Denny?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay, we're going to do the live 5 of them, right?
Yep, doing 5 of them.
5 50K or 5?
Yeah, it's the 50Ks. 50Ks.
Okay, 5 50Ks.
First winner is Running Man. Running Man, are you here?
Running Man, I seen him earlier. Running Man? Where are who's next? Running Man going once. Running Man going twice. Oh my God.
Steven pushing it quick.
I like Running Man. He's got to run.
He's here.
All right, he's here. See, I had to push him, Denny.
You just had to push him. Push him over the finish line.
That's what I'm talking about.
Next is TGT Trades.
Hey, I seen him tonight.
Trades.
Nope, nobody?
He's here.
Oh, he's here.
All right, moving on to number 3. I like how fast we're moving tonight. Next is Angel Perez. Angel Perez.
Angel Perez, I didn't see him much.
I didn't see him at all. Market is not doing nothing tonight. Not here. Not here.
Not
Going
here.
Once, going twice. He signed up and left. Well, sounds like he's missing out on a giveaway.
Aaron is saying that the link for the free trial is not working.
What do you mean?
When you
Who said that?
right here, the
Ice
link
Fire
that's
HD.
pinned is not working.
They're lying.
Okay.
I'm sorry. They're lying. I know it works. I just clicked on it when I sent it.
Okay.
Hey, Ice Fire, congrats.
Who's this one? Ice Fire?
Ice Fire.
I never heard of him or her.
He's here. He's here in the chat, or she's in chat. I don't
Let
know.
me get,
I don't want to be. I don't want to be assuming your gender.
Get a couple of accounts while I'll give you tomorrow. Trade. I don't want it after day one getting discouraged.
Steven,
Yes.
he said that you read his comment earlier. He bagged 1K earlier.
Who did?
Ice Fire. Bilo, congratulations. I know I've seen Bilo.
Oh, I didn't. Okay, that was him.
Yep, that was him.
Oh, Zeiss Fire. I thought you said Ice Fire. That's why.
I'm sorry if I said the name
I don't want you
wrong.
to
I
get
see you,
discouraged,
Bilo.
right?
Congrats.
I know. I'm just saying. This is a learning process. You're here, okay, and you're gonna tomorrow. We're gonna step it up like 5 notches. Watch. Now it's gonna be. Unfortunately, it's out of my control, but the market's gonna suck tomorrow because the FOMC is on Wednesday. It's out of my control, but we're gonna do the best we can.
D.H. Harrison. D. Harrison, are you here?
Here, Aaron. They're saying it's not working. Right there.
Steven, you said there's FOMC tomorrow?
No, Wednesday.
Wednesday, okay. Yeah, I had to make sure.
That is.
D. Harrison, are you here? D. Harrison going once. D. Harrison going twice. All right, you're gone.
Thank you. What happened? You got to go to my SK Trading link for the free trial. My fund. The futures does not have a link for a free trial. It's my live stream for a 5-day free trial, people. Okay.
Yes, you can come next week. It's
I
better to
didn't
come
realize
on
we had
Mondays.
Powell in the chat.
Who's that?
Ryan Powell.
Oh.
Oh, Steven, you didn't get the joke?
No, I didn't hear it.
I say I didn't realize we had Powell in the chat. Cause you know he's the guy who talks like messes up the market.
Oh, I didn't know him.
Chat, am I saying it wrong? Am I wrong? He's the FOMC guy. Ryan Powell, I'll see you. All right, there's our 5 winners tonight. Congrats, everybody. We will have another giveaway tomorrow. Yeah, Steven, he's the Fed chairman.
Who is Jerome Powell?
Yeah,
I know Powell.
Yeah, I just said, do you know Powell?
Something's wrong with my hearing tonight.
No, it's because someone put their name as Ryan Powell. So I'm like, I didn't realize we had Powell in the chat.
All right, well, congratulations to the 5 winners. I don't see anything going on here. Jerome Powell. Oh, my God. Thanks, Mr. Rockstar.
I met Donald Rumsfeld. Is that
No. All right, there goes the gold pushing up now, finally. The 15s. You're long? No, you're looking short.
Yeah.
You think? I've been here since 6 o'clock in the morning. You still on the gold, Arton?
Yeah, I got one micro, Steven. I'm just waiting for that 20, 4220 gap fill, and then I'll close it. Or whenever we decide to leave.
Okay, yeah, we got about
Close it. I
7,
don't
6,
think
7
it doesn't
minutes
matter.
here. All right, Zach.
Lucid traded.
All right.
50%.
Coffee's sweetened with honey. Just honey?
That's how Ash drinks it.
What scored the Eagles game? Anybody see Eagles Chargers?
Ooh, that's a good game.
Traders Cafe, I should know by January 7th. Lemon and honey? Yeah, my friend's going to send me something from Minnesota. He told me he lost 10 pounds with this. And 10-6 Chargers? All right.
So you can restart it.
It's halftime already? I got to tell you, I'm just so happy the Chiefs don't look like they're going to make it. Oh, your short goal from 27? Well, the 15s are getting oversold, Johnny. I mean, I would cover more than half here. They're up 7. I mean, up. You're up 10 points, right, John? I mean, I would have covered. I mean, you can cover half.
Yes, there is.
Oh my God, the gold! I just tried to short it. Damn it. Mikey Jacques, have a great night. And now tomorrow, obviously after the first hour, it's going to be tough to watch. Nobody's going to do anything. But I do think the market's in trouble. These 30-year and 10-year bonds are, I think there's a problem here. Right? I think there's a problem. The bond market's telling you that rates are going higher with 3 cuts. You can see the 30-year bonds are down 2.5 points in 6 days. Rates, the 10 years almost at 4.10 again. That's 3 rate cuts. It shouldn't be doing that.
Going down. For real.
They know something.
Yeah.
Biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. All right, we got about 2 minutes. Denny, I want to say thank you, my brother. I'll keep you posted for a place to eat
10 o'clock, man.
in Disney.
If you can deliver, go.
That's it.
I mean, I love that restaurant, Denny. Don't get me wrong, but 9 o'clock, oof.
No. I understand.
I'll get us a place. Don't worry. I want to say thank you, everybody, for joining me tonight. Okay, and thank you again for Ash, Luke, Denny, Matt, for letting me be here tonight, and also Monday through Friday from 10:30 to 11:30. Please pick it up during that hour. It's a great hour to really engage, especially in live market environment like that. And again, a special thanks to My Funded Futures for really taking the the time and sponsoring this 2 hours. A great prop firm, you guys. Really great. All right. We got 10 o'clock. Denny, I'm going to say good night, my brother. All right. Have a great night, everybody. Okay. Let's see if this gold gets up to that 20 level. It should.
All right.
And,
have a good night.
What's that? Yeah. Have a good night, everybody. All right. Just arrived back. What? St. Louis from Orlando? Okay. There we go. I'm going to short this gold. Up there. But... All right, everybody. Have a great night. God bless you. If this gold gets up to the 20 and a half, 26 and a half, I'd take it short. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. And God bless United States of America. Good night, everybody. Good night, Denny.
Good.